What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In this video today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix monetization is not available in your location. First of all, you have to go on youtube.com. So right here in my browser, you just type youtube.com in the address bar. Then on the top corner, in the top right, you just click on view your channel to go to your channel setting. And then you will have access to your channels, and you will need to go to customize channel to access the creator studio from YouTube. Basically what you want to do is to change your location, and this is gonna help you have right here the earn tab where you can monetize your YouTube channel. Here as you can see, I have access to the earn tab on YouTube because my YouTube location is set properly. You just go to the bottom right into setting. Let me show you exactly how you can do that. Right here, I'm going to show you. You just go to the bottom into the settings, click on it, and then you go to channel, and then you will have country of residence right here. If you select the right country where you live in, then you will have access to the earn tab on YouTube and can monetize your YouTube channel. If it is not set, sometimes YouTube won't recognize and will say monetization is not available in your location. But if I click on my channel in the setting and set the country of residence, for example, to Belgium as an example, and click save, then you should have access to the monetization afterwards. So I hope this will be helpful to you guys. I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching this video with me to the end. Click right here for more YouTube tips and watch the next video, and I will see you there. Bye bye.